Ready to choose your own adventure? River and trails to your right, downtown charm to your left. Welcome to the home that has it all. High ceilings, generous proportions, 2 separated bedrooms, and a flexible den. A kids' room today, home office tomorrow, or a guest room when you need it.
Enjoy ample kitchen storage, a dedicated laundry room, and a gym. Your everyday conveniences already built in.
And right outside your door, step onto the Traboulay Trail.
Perfect for dog walks and your daily run. With walkable schools, parks, river paths, and the cafés, shops, and charm of downtown Port Coquitlam whenever you want it.
I'm Victoria DuPont.
And I'm Christine Kopr with Sotheby's Realty. Contact us today and book your private showing.